SEO in Wix Studio involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. Here's how to effectively set up SEO for your Wix Studio site. Use Wix SEO Setup Checklist. In your Wix Studio dashboard, go to Marketing and SEO and select Get Found on Google. Follow the SEO Setup Checklist to guide you through optimizing your site step by step. Optimize page titles and meta descriptions. Click on Pages and Menu in the Wix Studio editor. Select a page, click Settings, then SEO Basics. Write unique titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Add alt text to images. Select each image on your site and add descriptive alt text. This helps search engines understand your images and improves accessibility. Improve URL structure. Ensure page URLs are short, descriptive and keyword-rich. Enable mobile optimization. Use the mobile view in Wix Studio to ensure your site is responsive and mobile-friendly. Submit your site to search engines. Use Wix's site inspection tool to submit your site to Google Search Console for faster indexing.